Dreaming of your own local marketing agency? Want to help small businesses grow right in your community? Let's be real. Designing mailers, building a website, managing it all from scratch, it can feel overwhelming. Now imagine launching a shared cost postcard agency with everything already done for you. We've built the complete system. Professionally designed Canva templates, simple drag and drop. 9x12 layouts with 18 ad spots, plus premium double-size upgrades. Horizontal versions include a featured image area, perfect for showcasing local landmarks or community favorites. Need more impact? Our jumbo 12x15 Zamboo layouts offer up to 32 ad spaces. And you'll also get 50+ editable ad designs in Canva, customizable for nearly any industry. You also get a fully pre-built mobile-optimized agency website designed to collect advertiser info, accept payments, receive ad files, all automatically. This isn't just a toolkit. It's a plug-and-play system to help you become the go-to marketing partner for local businesses. Ready to launch your EDDM postcard business the smart way? Don't wait. Start building today. Get your 9x12 agency starter kit now at 9by12agency.com.